Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Groupon Microsoft voucher. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Groupon Microsoft voucher, what you need to do first is find the voucher on the Groupon. So to do it, simply head over and open up your Groupon application, then simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, the next step is to tap on the My Shop icon on the bottom corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, on the top of My Groupons, you'll find an option that says My Groupons right here. Simply tap on that, and inside My Groupons, what you need to do is find the Microsoft voucher and tap on it. Then simply copy the redemption code, and you can also check your email as well. The next step is to simply head over back and open up your browser, and on the search bar, what you need to do is type in redeem.microsoft.com, and then once you tap on search, you'll be seeing a redemption page like this. Now all you gotta do is just simply enter the redemption code right here and make sure that you are logged into your account as well. Now once you have entered the code, what you need to do is simply click on redeem or tap on next, and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully redeem the voucher. Then next is the product or subscription is added to your Microsoft account, and now you can download, install, or activate it immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.